I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to add a recovery email to your Google account. Step 1. Open your web browser, navigate to myaccount.google.com, and sign in to your Google account if you aren't logged in automatically. Step 2. Click Security and Sign In the menu on the left side of the screen. Step 3. Scroll down to the See How You Sign Into Google section and click Recovery Email. For security purposes, Google will likely prompt you to re-enter your account password to confirm your identity. Step 4. Click Add Recovery Email. Step 5. Enter the secondary email address you want to use for account recovery and click Save. Step 6. Google will send a 6-digit verification code to that secondary email address. Check that inbox, locate the code, and then enter it back on the Google account page. Click Verify when this is complete. Your recovery email address is now linked to your Google account. As an additional tip, you should also consider setting up a recovery phone number if you haven't already. You can do this right from the same security and sign-in menu by clicking Recovery Phone, Add Recovery Phone, entering your mobile number, and verifying it via a text message code. Having both an email and a phone number as backups ensures that you have multiple ways to recover your account even if you lose access to one of your recovery methods. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.